What is digital marketing? Digital marketing means using digital channels like search engines, social media, email, mobile apps, and websites to promote a product or service. This umbrella term also includes marketing using digital devices, such as TV or radio. Examples of online digital marketing include search engine optimization (SEO), optimizing a website to improve its visibility and ranking on search engines like Google, pay-per-click advertising (PPC), paying for advertisements to appear on search engine results, pages or social media platforms. Social media marketing, creating and sharing content on social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram to increase brand awareness and engagement. Content marketing, creating and sharing valuable content, such as blog posts, ebooks, or videos, thus attracting and retaining a specific audience. Leveraging traditional offline media for advertising using radio and TV marketing, billboard advertising, print, and in-person events. Then there's offline digital marketing like out-of-home advertising. This involves using billboards, transit ads, or other types of visual media to promote your brand or product. This can be a great way to reach a broad audience and create a strong visual impression. TV marketing, where you promote your products in the form as adverts, infomercials, or even demonstrations. Radio marketing, trailers and commercials promoting your product to listeners. You can do digital marketing, online and offline, and using a combination is vital to any well-rounded strategy. These techniques and strategies help businesses to reach their target audience, engage with them, and ultimately convert them into customers. Some of the best things about digital marketing: provides access to more data. You get access to vital analytics about your customers, how they navigate the buying cycle, and what they want. You can use this data to analyze what works and doesn't and tailor your strategy accordingly. Helps you reach a wider audience. Digital marketing allows you to reach a wider audience than traditional marketing methods. For example, social media platforms like Facebook and Twitter have billions of active users, and advertising can help you target demographics. Is cost-effective. Digital marketing is more affordable than traditional marketing methods like TV or print advertising. With digital marketing, you can create highly targeted campaigns with a better return on investment (ROI) for your business and reach your goals. Provides greater engagement. Digital marketing allows for greater engagement with your target audience. You can use email, social media, and content marketing tactics to keep your audience engaged and interested in your products and services. For instance, creating a blog with valuable content on your website can attract visitors and make them more likely to buy. According to HubSpot, 56% of people who read a blog post go on to purchase. Offers measurable results. With digital marketing, you can track and measure the effectiveness of your campaigns. You can use tools like Ubersuggest and Google Analytics to analyze web traffic, conversion rates, and other metrics to see your campaign's performance. Helps your business stay competitive. A digital marketing strategy is essential in today's digital age. Your competitors are likely using digital marketing to reach their target audience, so you don't want to fall behind. The benefits of digital marketing. Digital marketing has become prominent largely because it reaches such a wide audience of people. However, it also offers a number of other advantages that can boost your marketing efforts. These are a few of the benefits of digital marketing. A broad geographic reach. When you post an ad online, people can see it no matter where they are, provided you haven't limited your ad geographically. This makes it easy to grow your business's market reach and connect with a larger audience across different digital channels. Cost efficiency. Digital marketing not only reaches a broader audience than traditional marketing, but also carries a lower cost. Overhead costs for newspaper ads, television spots, and other traditional marketing opportunities can be high. Quantifiable results. To know whether your marketing strategy works, you have to find out how many customers it attracts and how much revenue it ultimately drives easier personalization. Digital marketing allows you to gather customer data in a way that offline marketing can't. Data collected digitally tends to be much more precise and specific. More connection with customers. Digital marketing lets you communicate with your customers in real time. More importantly, it lets them communicate with you. Easy and convenient conversions. Digital marketing lets your customers take action immediately after viewing your ad or content. With traditional advertisements, the most immediate result you can hope for is a phone call shortly after someone views your ad.